Mga idol at kabayan, breaking news! Tuloy-tuloy na pagbabantay ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa West Philippine Sea. Nagbunga na 19 na People's Liberation Army Navy at China Coast Guard ang namonitor ng Philippine Navy noong buwan ng Pebrero taong kasalukuyan dahil sa sunod-sunod na maritime cooperative activity na isinagawa ng Pilipinas kasama ang mga kaalyado. Malaki ang naging epekto nito upang mabawasan ang pagiging agresibo ng China laban sa Pilipinas. Sa katunayan, US Air Force nagsalita na tuloy-tuloy ang suporta nito sa Armed Forces of the Philippines, lalo na sa Philippine Air Force upang labanan ang mali at illegal na ginagawa ng China sa West Philippine Sea. 40 mga barkong pandigma at sabarin ng Amerika ang nakapalibot sa China at North Korea. Totoo pala talagang nakapokus ngayon ang Estados Unidos sa Indo-Pacific region. Iran, Russia at China nagsagawa ng Joint Maritime Drill. President Trump sinabing hindi ito natitina dahil mas malakas ang Amerika kahit magsama pa ang tatlong mga bansa. UK Foreign Minister sinabing mali at itigil na dapat ng China ang mga ginagawa nitong pagiging agresibo laban sa Pilipinas. Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources at Philippine Coast Guard nagtutulungan upang ipakita ang presensya ng Pilipinas sa Baho de Masinloc. Mga sundalo ng Amerika hindi na nakapagpigil. Isiniwalat ang kasamaan ng China. 4-star General ng US Air Force ipinahayag ang kasamaan ng China Coast Guard laban sa mga barko ng Philippine Coast Guard. Dagdag pa niya, obligasyon ng mga Coast Guard sa mundo ay ang pagsagip ng buhay. Pero baliktad at iba ang ginagawa ng China. Sila mismo ang bumabangga sa mga barko ng Pilipinas. Sinabi din ito na ginagawa ng US Forces ang lahat upang tulungan at suportahan ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, lalo na ang Philippine Air Force laban sa illegal na ginagawa ng China sa exclusive economic zone ng bansa.
There's a picture that I use in the maritime domain that shows a Chinese Coast Guard cutter intentionally ramming a Philippine Coast Guard cutter. Any other nation in the world, the Coast Guard saves lives and protects property, not in China. They are out there causing intentional harm in international space in somebody else's EEZ. Again, a telling indication of what their motivations are. So to your question about what can Pacific Air Forces do, I think a lot of it comes in information sharing, helping the armed forces of the Philippine Air Force in particular, build their air domain awareness capability to understand what's going on, in their economic exclusion zone, what's going on in their territorial waters, to help them be better postured to respond and to see these activities happening. Again, was just down there recently and had a lot of conversations about command and control battle management systems, figuring out ways that can tie systems together so that information can be shared to decision makers.
Sa katunayan, totoong nakapokus ang puwersa ng Amerika ngayon sa Indo-Pacific region. Makikita ang mga impormasyong ibinahagi ng open source kung ano-ano mga barkong pandigma ngayon ang makikita mula South Korea, Japan, malapit sa Taiwan, ang nasa Pilipinas, nasa Brunei, Singapore at Thailand, maging sa Guam at maging sa Hawaii. Kung mapapansin niyo mga kabayan, nakapalibot ang puwersang pandagat ng Amerika sa China at North Korea. Nasa 40 mga barkong pandigma, mga fighter jets, 4 na submarine ang nakabantay sa first at second island chain ng Pasipiko. Yan ang tunay na puwersa dahil sa pagtutok ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea at pagpapakita na hindi tayo papaya na makuha ng China ng tuluyan ang mahalaga nating mga nasasakupan sa ating exclusive economic zone o sa West Philippine Sea. Philippine Navy kinumpirma na 19 na Chinese Navy at Coast Guard lamang ang kanilang namonitor noong buwan ng Pebrero taong kasalukuyan. Dagdag pa dito ang sunod-sunod na ginawang maritime cooperative activity ng Pilipinas at mga kaalyado nito ay malaki ang naging amba para mabawasan ang pagiging agresibo ng China laban sa Pilipinas. Sa suporta at tulong na ibinibigay ng mga kaalyado ng Pilipinas tulad ng Amerika, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Canada at France. Maraming salamat!
For the month of February, a total of almost 12,000 ships of different kinds were monitored in our maritime domain. This comprises of 2,000 plus domestic and 9,000 plus foreign. Of these, 19 were PLA Navy and Coast Guard ships, 9 PLA Navy and 2 Coast Guard vessels were monitored in Baho de Masinloc, and 7 PLA Navy and 1 Coast Guard vessel was sighted in Ayungin Shoal. So this is the total maritime traffic that we were able to monitor all over the country. And of this total number, some of that, 19 were the PLA Navy and the Chinese Coast Guard in Baho de Masinloc and Ayungin Shoal. The actions of the Philippine Navy, the Air Force, the Army, the entire AFP will continue amid all the illegal presence of any foreign intruder. We have our regular patrol plans. We have air surveillance flights. We coordinate with other government agencies to report their illegal presence in our EEZ.
Sa ibang balita naman, sa kabila ng isinagawang military drill ng Iran at Russia, maging ng China, tinawanan lang ito ng Amerika. Tinanong ng mga reporter kung dapat bang mabahala ang Estados Unidos. Ayon kay President Trump, kahit magsama pa sila, mas malakas pa rin ang Amerika.
China and Iran are doing military exercises together. Does that concern you?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Why not?
Because we're stronger than all of them. We have more power than all of them. I rebuilt the military. Unfortunately, Biden did nothing with it, but I rebuilt the military. But we don't want to even talk about that. I think if you look at what's happening and if you see what we've done and if you see where we've come, and let's see what happens with the whole Russia-Ukraine thing. I think you're going to have eventually, and maybe not in the distant future, you're going to have some pretty good results coming out of Saudi Arabia this week.
Are you going to resume aid to Ukraine?
Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources at Philippine Coast Guard nagtutulungan upang ipakita ang presensya ng Pilipinas sa Baho de Masinloc. Sa katunayan, makikita sa maritime traffic ng barko ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources at Philippine Coast Guard ay tuloy-tuloy ang ginagawang pagpapakita ng presensya malapit sa nasabing bahura. Ito ang mga barko ng Philippine Coast Guard, ang BRP Bagakay at Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, BRP Bancao. Foreign Secretary ng United Kingdom, binira ang mali at maagresibong mga hakbang ng China laban sa Pilipinas. Isa na namang bansa na kinikilala ang mga karapatan ng mga Pilipino sa West Philippine Sea ay sa Pilipinas, hindi sa China.
A third of global maritime trade passes through the South China Sea. Growth in the UK and around the world depends on these trade routes being safe and secure. That's why we're concerned about dangerous and destabilizing activities by China in this region. The Philippines is at the sharp end of this, facing frequent challenges to freedom of navigation and international law. As maritime nations, we are committed to the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. By working together, we will enhance our security and prosperity and maintain a free and open Indo-Pacific.
Laban Pinas.